Welcome this video. Hide, door, involve, a clean build, a functional and style. Hide door involve are frontless build of marriage style and style often access passing in old crosses. Movie hide door also card door are become increasingly popular in modern house. Their door both static and functional purpose add an elegant will also provide door story area of unit space. What are high door? High door is decoration to build seamless into the surrounding wall. Booksoft print unlike stud door which are increasingly vibrant doors. Door are meant to be overlooked then clean. Use wallpaper, wall panel, board cut mirror or those architecture. Elegant so that then appear to be just another part of the wall type of high door. There are type of high door with unique various bookshelf door. Those are some of the most iconic high door popular or home office. The door itself is the work bookshelf, a swim, open the reward and pass. Mirror door, a full long mirror moment on a door. Furniture can serve as door entrance. That perfect for bedroom walk. Weather panel door. Those doors are built of match the textile and color of the wall. Whether it's during wall, wood or stone varies. The door display when closed.